These are all the meats I got from the meat market. All of them. Yeah. All of them. I went to only 3 shops at that market. The first shop was the chicken shop, and I bought just 2 things. We are holding a meeting, our first meeting after the lockdown. We're having our first meeting tomorrow, and we will be hosting that meeting, so we're going to cook. So this is the chicken. I'm going to use to prepare something for that tomorrow, so that's why I went to the market today actually. The second thing I bought at that shop is this chicken mince. This one I bought from that other shop where they sell internal organs and extremities. This one is beef mince. This one is beef chuck for stews and pepper soup. This is ribs, so it contains a lot of bones, so it's usually cheap. This one will finish this weekend because of the meeting. This one I'll use it to prepare. Yeah, I'll show you what I use this one to prepare. I'll just cut them up now. That's the next thing I'll do. Cut up everything, prepare everything, and put in the freezer. Of course, this one I'll just marinate it and put in the fridge because I'll use it tomorrow. And this one, the same. I used it for meat pie, meatballs. Yeah, even frankfurters, like homemade frankfurters. All right, look at that. A lot of work ahead for me. Meat prep ongoing. This one is for pepper soup. You can see how I cut it into bite sizes, so that when you're eating the pepper soup, you don't need to be biting off the meat. You just chuck one in your mouth and chew. This one is the best cut. This one is the shaki. You can see bite sizes as well. Today I'll prepare the pepper soup. I'll also add kidney. I already have that one in the freezer. Maybe liver for my husband. He likes liver. I don't like it. Pepper soup. Then this one is for normal soup stuff. Soup. This is a good time to click the like button to tell Mr. Algorithm that you are alive and kicking. Don't you think? Have you? Halfway done with the meat prep. I don't even think it's halfway done, because we're going to make meatballs today. Some of the beef prepped. This one and this one for soup. This one for pepper soup. I think I wrote it there. Yeah, pepper soup. Yeah, I put them in the same bag because they have the same cooking times in my pressure cooker. So yeah, this one is for stew. We also use fish for stew, but yeah, fish and beef. This one is one of the chicken, and this one is two wraps of beef mince, half a kilo, and the other 2 here. I'm just about to prep meatballs now. But because this is chicken, I put it separate. The chicken is still here. This one will be the last one because it requires a lot of plucking of the feathers. They don't pluck it perfectly, but if it's the soft chicken, they will pluck it very well. But this one, look at, you heard me at the market telling her to give me the most plucked ones, las más limpias, but even the most plucked ones still have feathers, you see. So a lot of work needs to be done, but right now I'm fainting. I'm about to prep the meatballs. These are my seasonings. This one is for the chicken, while this one is for the beef. Chicken mince, beef mince. Powder. powder. I think I have a detailed video of how I make these meatballs. I think so, yeah. I'll put the link below if I find it. You guys get my mumu butter. All you need to do is say it. And if it's what I can do, ahead. I don't really care if it's one person or two people. Supposed to have taken off this cloth, but at the moment I feel like if I take it off, I'll waste half an hour doing that. Add each one too. I forgot to bring it out earlier. I only add it to the beef one. Back in the freezer. Okay, the two marinated. The next thing to do now is mold and put in the oven tray, ready for it to be baked. I don't think I can make it before I need to leave for school run. It won't be done, so I don't press it too much so that it can be juicy. It won't be dry when it's done. Don't want dry meatballs, no. Just hold it loosely. Press just together. I can make it, eh? I think I can make it, so just put the oven to preheat. So after about 20 minutes, I think it's fine. Oil is already sipping out, look at that. Because the day I'll use it to cook, I'll boil it a little bit as well to bring out some stock to season what I'm cooking. So I'll leave it like that and go for school run. Later that evening, I hired some workers to pluck the chicken without pay. They have entered work. Which ones have you done?
These ones.
Only these two?
Only, I mean, it's easy, but the thing is that there's some feathers that I can't, well, these feathers that you see here because I remove them,
but these ones, Uncle, they look clean.
Yeah, no, they can put them here, okay?
Is that how you're going to clean your own? No?
That ones are very difficult to remove.
Ned?
Yeah.
You cut yourself. Remove the small ones first. Those big ones, if you can't remove them, I'll remove them. These small ones, remove them with your fingers. With your fingers. Like that. not using knife, you will cut yourself.
Oh, this one I can't remove it.
This one we should cut off the entire bonbon. Don't worry. When I wash it, I'll remove it. It's a bonbon now. You don't know.
What do you call it, bonbon?
It's chicken bonbon.
Bonbon.
They're finished though. Wait for me to season it and put it in the fridge, but I am so tired. I am so tired. Look at the time, to 10. Chicken finally seasoned. It's 10 minutes to 11 at night. Madre mia. It's going into the fridge now. So what happened to the meatballs? I put them in Ziploc bags and put in the freezer, pending when I will use them to prepare a variety of meals. Click the video on the left for details of how I make the meatballs, and the one on the right to follow me to the market when I bought all these meats that I prepped in this video. Bye bye, see you soon.